In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend two pictures using Canva, creating a seamless transition between your chosen images. This method is perfect for creating unique compositions and adding a creative touch to your visual projects. So let's dive in and unlock the magic of image blending in Canva together. First and foremost, you'll need to start by opening your Canva document. This is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Canva, just sign in and navigate to your project. Once you have your document ready, it's time to bring in the images you wish to blend. Upload the two images you want to work with into your Canva workspace. It's important to choose images that will harmonize well when merged. Select the photos that share complementary colors or themes for the most visually appealing blend. After you have uploaded your images, we have a little trick to enhance the blending process. You can use elements like gradient colors. Yes, these gradients will be your secret weapon to smooth the merging points. Place these gradient elements strategically where you want your images to meld into one another. It's a little like painting. You're gently blending two colors at their edges. Now that you have everything set up visually, the next step is to download both of your images. You might wonder why this is necessary. Well, downloading these images will enable you to re-upload them and adjust them independently in the next stage. So go ahead, download the images and then upload them back into your canvas. Once your images are re-uploaded, place them as you initially had, but here's the crucial part. Adjust their transparency. Adjust the transparency of both images to around 50%. This is essential for creating that nice, smooth transition between them. By reducing the transparency, you allow the underlying gradients to peek through, giving a soft blend that ties the images together seamlessly. Adjust the transparency carefully until you are satisfied with how the images integrate with one another. And there you have it. You're done. Once you're satisfied with the blend, you can finalize your design. Whether you're preparing this for a presentation, a social media post, or just for fun, you'll find that blended images can truly transform the look and feel of your designs. Remember that practice makes perfect. Experiment with different images and transparency levels to see what works best for your project. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial insightful and that you're excited to try blending images in your next Canva project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.